practice day continues here in Ocala at the 2015 Cold Stone Florida Winter Tour. I'm now joined by my good friend Elvis Stojko. Elvis, how's your week gone preparing for the final round of the Winter Tour?
It's been going really well. We're on pace. I want a little bit more, as we always do, but it's going very well. Overall, the tour's been quite good. We were a little bit lacking in Orlando. It was a bit of a struggle, but it was a learning process with changing conditions. Like we had huge monsoon on the Saturday, and then Sunday dried up, track changes. Homestead was good by the end. It seems I'm always playing a bit of catch-up. Here, we started off strong, and I seem to have the pace, and with guys like Christoph Adams in the mix and Mikko Lane under our tent, I got good guys to chase and learn from.
All right, now Elvis, you have lived a life on the ice. You're an accomplished figure skater, and a lot of people don't know a lot about your accomplishments and your career on the ice. Heck, you and I were just talking about it, and I proved how much I didn't know. So can you go ahead and fill us in a little bit on what you've been able to do as a competitive ice skater?
Yeah, well, that was my main thing. I started skating when I was 4 up in Canada, and 3-time world champion. I've got 6 world medals, 2 silvers and a bronze. I got 2 Olympic silver medals from 94 and 98 Olympics. I competed at 4 Olympic Games, 7 national titles. I have 2 world records, 2 first world records, and you know, now motorsports has always been in my blood. I started motocross when I was 7, and it was something I was always into: motocross, quadding, all that sort of stuff, and wanted to get into car racing. And I knew when I was living in Mexico at the time, the last 12 years, we just moved back to Canada. I started getting into it, asked my wife, this is what I want to do. We talked about it, and karting was the best way. Moved back to Canada, and now I'm just on the tour and just enjoying the Rotax circuit.
I mean, that's incredible. You've been to the Olympics. You've finished a silver medal there twice. I mean, that is incredible. So tell me, what's more stressful? Getting ready to go out and perform at the Olympics, or finding yourself in the midst of a championship fight here at the prestigious Cold Stone Florida Winter Tour? And I'm being honest.
I'll be honest, it's the Olympics, man. It's the Olympics. I get this question a lot too. You know, what's tougher? I mean, when you got as a world champion going in, it was 98. I was going in as world champion. I had done a world record the year before. I had millions of people. We had never won. Canadian male had never won an Olympic gold. It was always silvers, and all the pressure was on me. I had a pressure of the whole nation and all eyes watching, and it takes the stress. I think I lost like about 8 pounds in that 1 week.
So if you were able to finish on the podium, maybe even the top step of the podium at this championship weekend of the Florida Winter Tour, I mean, that's a gold medal. You only have silver medals from the Olympics. I mean, come on.
Yeah, I know. That would be really nice. Personally, for me, I think it would be awesome. I know the point stretch is a bit far, but there's an outside chance to maybe make podium. And it's a learning process for me here and taking everything in. But, you know, everyone's been awesome, just enjoying the process and loving the racing.
Well, Elvis, thank you so much. To all your fans, ice skating or kart racing, they can tune in live this weekend. We have an actual live video and audio broadcast of the kart race this weekend because, you know, we're cool at the Florida Winter Tour and we can do that. So you better tell your fan club to head over to FWT Live and watch you, okay?
Absolutely. Thanks, everyone at home, for watching.
All right, Elvis Stojko, ladies and gentlemen, DD2 Masters Racer. We'll have more coming up from Ocala a little bit later on.